I think traceability in Australian agriculture is becoming more and more prevalent. You know, everyone's got something to sell, and if you've got some sort of advantage with the product you're selling, it's got to be a plus for your product. So I think traceability is very important. I think it's been driven from overseas customers and domestic customers. And I think everybody in some sort of form wants a bit of information from where their food's coming from.
So tracing animals, sheep, goat or cattle at an individual level from a place of birth where they're tagged onto a sale yard, to another property, onto an abattoir, wherever that may be, we can monitor those movements and we can trace an animal for the whole of its life. So the benefits that we have seen as Agriculture Victoria is improved data integrity.
Victorian sheep and goat producers are required to identify animals with electronic National Livestock Identification System ear tags. Where processors combine the electronic NLIS tag technology with on-plant technology, such as DEXA, data can be linked to individual animals. This allows for the provision of valuable and targeted feedback to producers.
So the DEXA system that we've put in is an X-ray scanning system of each individual carcass. What that allows you to be able to do is determine how fat the lamb is, the percentage of fat to bone to meat. So what it basically tells you, when you process a lamb, you can make different decisions on whether or not you bone the lamb out, or you don't bone it out, or you don't over trim it because it's already lean enough to not be further processed unnecessarily.
Livestock are a very valuable commodity. Collecting the right data can help improve efficiencies and find savings along the supply chain. Digital information collected along the supply chain can be interpreted by everyone involved. An effective system can help an industry improve how they detect, track and trace disease and food safety issues, respond to a natural emergency, and support export growth. Frew Foods International has invested in internal systems to maximise the benefits of traceability technology.
The information's fed back to the farmers. It can help them with overfeeding the lambs, feeding them the wrong product. And they really don't know that. They sell us the lamb based on weight. They're happy to get the prices they're getting based on the weight. But if we're not getting the product that we want, then we won't buy the lambs from those certain suppliers. So if we can feed the information back to them over time, they can improve their systems and improve the product, improve sales, improves export. It just makes everyone's business a lot easier to manage.
Victoria implemented electronic NLIS tagging of sheep and goats in 2017.
We adopted it very early, probably too early, but we're leading the way now, and it's good to see these things opening up, and we just need more states to get on board. Victoria's jumped ahead, which is great, and I think the supermarkets domestically are demanding it, and export will be something that everybody wants.
For more information about traceability, visit agriculture.vic.gov.au/traceability.
Authorised by the Victorian Government, 1 Treasury Place, Melbourne.